was trying to ask the girl out with me. Come home. How is life in Payavan? It's not Payavan, Sambugueta.
Yeah, it's Sambugueta.
What are you eating?
Ice candy. Yummy.
Yummy. Aju. Komusta ka? We're gonna start our day. I'm so busy right now. I really need to go to cut my hair. I only have 10 minutes to go there. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. I wanted to go drive in one place, but look at the weather. It's not looking good. I will go to the Honda store. I want to get the documents for this bike. It's already been 6 months. I still don't have the documents. And I don't know what we're gonna do. Let's see, guys. We don't even have a fuel. Jesus Christ. Damn, the rain is coming. The rainy season is so bad. I really hate this. The car is the best. Like really, if it's gonna start raining very heavily in upcoming days, I will just rent the car. There's no other option. Wow. That's where we're gonna cut the hair, behind me. But damn, look at this weather. Look at the sky. Damn. How can I get home? Damn, that's crazy. Miss, why you don't say hello? Hello, miss. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Damn. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Guys, check this out. I'm clean again. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, if you wanna cut the hair, you have to pay 300 pesos for this. The other option is you're gonna go to the public marketplace. You will pay 50 pesos, and you're just gonna get shit. Thank you, miss. Salamat, boss. Thank you. Yeah. Everything is wet, but now it's sunny, which is super good. Let's check it out. How's the weather in Valencia? It looks good. Oh yeah, damn, that's awesome. We are in downtown, in the Honda store. That's the store where we bought our motorcycle. So let's go inside. Let's see, can we have our documents now or no? Ooh. Hello, miss. How are you? Hello. Komusta ka? Okay ra. Mayo. Kop. Ayo, manapun. Sel. Hello, miss. It's me again. Tell me news. Do you have my documents?
You don't have the original?
No.
Only a temporary one?
Yeah. It's over 6 months now, miss.
Not yet, sir. The registration we received.
Blah 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 blah.
I still don't have the original document, and they keep saying that it's not their problem, it's a LTO problem. So I don't know what to do. Hello, sir. I don't know what the hell I will do right now. Hello, sir. Kumusta ka? Let's do this. So guys, check this. In the city also, we still have the same price. Yeah. I did this with the motorbike here, like this. They all got afraid.
Hey guys, welcome to the feature of the Spaghetti City.
Oh, salamat. What it means?
I don't know.
You don't know. We got home. Now I have a job here right away. Then I need to get the water inside. Oh my goodness. Then I'm really hoping that our friend, he have a cold Coca-Cola in his home. I really want to drink Coca-Cola. We have arrived to the friend place. Yeah. Are you playing? What are you playing? Damn. Oh my goodness. Woo. We are in the Pakong supermarket. I don't even know how to say this. I wanna go to the DIY to buy some soap to wash the motorbike. Hello, miss. Kumusta ka? I really hope to have the soap. I also went to the motorcycle store. I asked if they have the rear and the front tire. They said they have, so tomorrow we're gonna change the tire. Dude, I have a soap. Oh my goodness. A stuck car wash shampoo. Them I will take too. When did you cut the stuck? Did you cut this today?
Yes.
Damn, I'm so lucky. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so hot. I got back home. I don't know if I will wash the motorbike right now. It's just too hot, you know. I will go inside. I will rest a little bit. Blah 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 blah. What fish you have, huh? Smoothie. No. We have goats inside of our gate. Then I can't believe. Why are you here? You really like to eat our grass, huh?
Oh,
They're eating the grass.
is that all?
Yeah, we have so much grass
Yeah, we
here.
have. Bah. You wanna see the goat?
Go there.
You wanna see a
There.
goat?
Look,
Yeah, let's see the goat. You wanna see the goat?
you're fighting, huh? So we are in the Samba Wetta. Let's check it out. But first, let's buy some tubig. Hello, miss. Kumusta ka?
Hi.
Kumusta ka, miss? Vaja. Damn. Let's say hello to these people. Oh my goodness. Damn, that's my favorite. I think we should buy this. Because it's warm, it's fresh. Ayu, can I buy some food? Damn. I want this. I want 3 eggs. 3 eggs with the...
With liver.
Yeah, with the liver, exactly. Damn, it looks so yummy.
Yes.
What's your favorite?
This.
This
Peanut.
one. Oh, okay. Well, what is it?
Veggies.
Oh, okay, which is? You're a vegetarian.
Yes.
Really? You don't like to eat meat?
Not at all.
Oh, okay. Who is the chef? Who's the cook?
Go home na.
Oh, really?
Go home na, sir.
Oh, okay. Dig. Let's try this. Egg and the liver, them, that's protein. Yummy. Yeah. Masarap. Yeah. Is that your store? Is this your business? The owner is there. You are the owner. Hello. How old are you?
That is the 40.
40. But we look same age. We look same age. I'm 34. Yeah, but we look the same. Guys, take this. I will come here. Look at this. Me, I look even older. Me, I look even older. Yeah. How long did you have this business?
3 years.
3 years. Every month you go up. Oh no?
Maybe, but I don't think so.
You don't. Every month you don't make more money. Like a little bit more money every month.
Every month, make more money.
Yeah. So you go up. Yeah, you go
Not
up.
totally.
Not totally.
Yes.
But you're still going, right? Up.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Miss, how much money did you invested in this business? To make this happening, how much money you need? Approximately.
Like all
Yeah. Like all everything, you know.
70.
70,000,
Yeah.
including to build the house. No.
Yes. Including the house.
70,000.
Including the.
Damn, it's very hard to believe. Because
And this bamboo is my
it's your bamboo.
father-in-law.
Ah, okay. 70,000. But I think you got 70 because you know people. That's why. If I want to build this, maybe I need to spend 120 or 100.
150 or 120.
Ah, okay. Are you married?
Yes.
Ma-
Sister, single.
You have a sister?
Yes.
How old?
36.
Where is she?
Dubai. But next month,
Next month.
muli siya next month.
Ma joon hapun. Ladyboy. Where do you have the public marketplace? Miss, where do you have the public marketplace?
Sorry?
Public marketplace. Like this. Further. Okay. Okay, salamat. Jesus, what the hell is happening here? Aju. Beep. Kumusta ka? Sambugueta is not my favorite place, to be honest. Actually, I was trying to go to the Sheraton, but it's just too late, you know. If I will go to the Sheraton, I cannot wash the motorbike. Hello, miss. Kumusta ka? How is life in Payavan? It's not Payavan, Sambugueta.
Yeah, it's Samogita.
How is... What are you eating?
Ice candy. Yummy.
Yummy. Is that your store?
No,
It's not yours.
it's not mine.
Entertaining.
Our customer
Customer.
drinking a kolapo.
Lapu-lapu.
Yeah,
What is lapu-lapu?
it's a vino.
What is it?
Do you have a kolapo in your place?
It's a wine, sir.
It's a wine. Is that local wine?
Yeah.
Really? Boss, I will smell it.
In your place, do you have kolapo?
No, no. I didn't know you guys make a wine also.
Local wine. It's a vino.
It's made of what?
Kasi gani na te na vino at kana kolapo. Sa gikama?
Coconut.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Why are you so beautiful?
Sure, not beautiful.
How old are you?
27. Terrible.
I'm older, much older. I was trying to ask the girl out with me, but she says she don't wanna come.
Sorry.
Yeah. Why?
I don't actually know you. Oh, what's your name?
Sim.
What?
Sim.
Sina?
Sim. But why you don't wanna come?
Because we met just now.
Yeah. That's how people met. They see each other on the street and they go out to get to know each other.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Oh, you're scared.
Yeah,
So that's the reason.
yeah.
That's I understand.
So sorry.
Now we know the reason. Okay, I will go home. I don't know. I don't understand Sambugueta, right?
Yeah.
I don't understand Sambugueta. Like really, I don't understand. Anyway, nice to meet you, miss. Bye bye. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Come home. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, miss.
Bye bye.
Yeah, guys, let's go home. Let's come back here some other day. I got back home. Now I will just wash the motorbike. Look how dirty everything is. Oh yeah. There. As you can see, I got most of the dirt off with just pressure washer, you know. Now I will just do that by hand also. Give me foam. Make it foamy. Makes the baby boy clean. Oh. Do you see how clean this is? Wow. And look at the chain also. Just look at this. Look at this, how shiny. Then you cannot see. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, look at this, what she is eating. Why you eat this?
Because I said the other day, now I finally
That's
get it.
crazy.
Yeah.
She's eating the hamburger. Oh. Jesus Christ, I was looking at the hamburger. Ooh la la, look at this bad boy.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. It changed. Give me this one.
What the hell?
I will put the oil.
Damn, I was doing like a best part for myself. Yeah, so I will have all the meat out. You didn't eat the rice.
No.
So, but are you full?
Yeah, I'm very full.
Do you want rice? Do you miss the rice?
No. No rice for me. I'm so full.
Okay.
Damn, I feel the oil in my here. I need dessert.
Here.
Perfect.
So guys, that was it. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.